I can't deal with them. Fuck all behavior.
Also stop.
It's not rave only. Rave का culture in Indians को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Through somebody's personal private life and somebody we know, no celebrity and all I wanna know, no influencer. Somebody we know, I have to name drop. I can guess and my God is right. I went on this and I saw everything, caught him, screenshot, his and her chat, her Instagram password was there. I opened her Instagram.
Oh my God.
Screenshot, her best friend's Instagram password was there. He opened her screenshot, next day goes to school. Boom, bitches.
This could be a Gossip Girl episode, bro.
She's a badass.
मेरे wrong thing खड़े हो गए. What's the biggest challenge you're facing in your career right now, and how are you tackling it?
How to own a business. Yes, I am a healthcare provider. To earn from it. I don't
Promotion.
have that business
You're
sense.
more like, yeah.
You take money. How do you promote yourself? Some challenge that how do I make it into a business?
Are you starting your own things?
Comes with time. I'm thinking of a phrase it, so you go first.
I think personally, it's gonna sound so tacky, but I honestly don't feel like एक चीज career में होनी चाहिए. And secondly, I feel like if I sit and only put all my eggs in one basket, I won't be me. I won't give my 100% to that thing also, because think about it. If you, for example, if you were to leave everything and do content also, वो ideas आते ही नहीं. Because if you are busy only then will your mind work at its optimum, which is work related. I will also do content for them or something. But I'm like, I am giving them this value add. Also have to be critical. It's just
Or you're more malleable about the world.
for sure. Really a young journalist, and everybody in my field is super old. I would like to say they've done this for donkey years, and print is a dying medium now, and everyone's turned to digital. I still feel like you need to see where you're getting ads from.
Yeah.
And people are paying for the print
Absolutely.
issue.
So the PR is so curated and it's so fake because you are like sex sells, this sells, that. Whether you call content good, bad, whatever, that's why content works digitally.
Like I see everyone doing daily vlogs, it's also Pilates, matcha, this, that.
Yeah.
I'm like, I get it, but at least add your own something.
I know. You know what the fuck? I think aesthetic is not about your surroundings or it's about you. It's reality. It's literally characteristic. A gap essentially. So even with print being a dying medium, evolve. It's a very scared medium because तुम्हें एक X amount का खर्चा नहीं करना है to get this. It's in terms of the machinery and the mechanisms they are working with, and the people that are sitting on the cream layer. The mold break, the mold. How does a jacket?
S is silent.
No, Schiaparelli, right?
Chaparelli.
I'm like, which
Chaparelli तो नहीं है. हाँ, ये तो बहुत ही तुमने बोली.
Shia body butter.
Spelling, it's SHR.
Oh my God! और मेरे को बड़ा judge है.
I don't even know which brand you all are talking about.
Yeah.
Chaparelli.
Chaparelli.
Bags Berkeley, you saw them Lily
Yes.
Kelly and things like that.
What the
Yeah,
hell?
it's great.
Who parties and brunches and shit and I can't deal. What is dosa rave? नहीं explain to me. What is dosa
Coffee
rave?
rave, I understand.
Coffee
Yeah,
rave
coffee
ठीक है.
rave.
चूती है साले सब. चाय rave. चाय पीने का rave. इधर ये मेरे को torture करेंगे. इधर चाय पीने में curate करके चाय पीने जाओ. I want to crash a wedding and संगीत and then eat food. Isn't that more adrenaline? Then be like आज मैं लहंगा पहन के बलानी जाऊंगी. हाँ? You know this guy? This Chu. No, don't need to hear about it. His choreo and nobody else starts it.
Could you please do that?
Question.
You have a question.
I don't have
yours.
Bolo.
What do you all think about Instagram? Do you all think it's gonna die down?
Of like first your Ask FM and then Clubhouse and House Party and Facebook and
You have
Instagram.
broadcast channels.
It's the data. Like stuff that can like project and things. When I talk dance,
Workshop.
I don't really like look at it like the way
Top
Abhi, Noel, MS, Siddharth.
थोड़ा जोर से
compared to Noel.
Your
You fan fest and he
Really?
killed it.
I then
We just need a better studio. So hopefully
Well,
that's in the works one day. Maybe
तेरे को तेरी YouTube पे डालना है. तू नहीं सही करती क्या बोल रहा है?
propose, I want to date you or like propose.
Listen, आजकल वैसे भी 50 लोगों को डेट करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? तो अगर तुम प्रपोज करो तो ढंग से करो, तो ताकि तुम्हें याद कैसे रखेंगे हम? ठीक है?
It's embarrassing for me.
ये टॉक्सिक है, बाकी नहीं है. ठीक है?
It's a problem only I think I can have. You all won't relate to it because I saw the clip and it's not an ick, but when you see it as a third person, you can't get over it. They're very specific, hyper specific.
I don't have many.
Khushi's biggest ick is Lal Bagh. I swear to God, she's out of the coffee. Bro, this. Abhi, if someone's rude to the waiter, will you be adjusting?
No, but I mean, see,
Vare Tamani.
ये नहीं डाल because this is not your reality.
Okay, if you had to.
This is infringement of privacy next
Yeah,
level.
I was like, you are cheating on me and you are helping me. What? This is some like cumulative hum saath saath cheating going on or what?
you did it. Like I would, okay, like I would have boyfriends.
I would keep it to
password,
myself. I've done that and I've kept it to myself. I've never confronted them because I know I'm like,
I would.
Would you catch them red-handed pretty much?
I wouldn't blame the other
Party,
person.
yeah.
I'd blame my boyfriend.
I Axis went and he was like, I'm going to meet my friends and all, and he didn't know that his ex is going to be there. He left 10 minutes. I'm like, I think she's there. He said, what do you mean? I'm like, she's there. He's like, no, you're lying. I'm like, no, she's there. He reached there. She was there. Like, you are now not there in my life.
That's what I'm saying. So I wouldn't blame the third person. I'd blame my boyfriend for giving the other person the opportunity to come close.
Well, you know,
Sometimes I feel like
but-
privacy should be broken.
see,
If you're
like,
doing it for the right reasons, you're not peeping into chats that you shouldn't be, then you're fine. You should only.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's called trust. It's not the goal is not to better my
the
life.
goal is also to become the best version of yourself because this person is keeping you on your toes. If you're too comfortable, what's the point of having it?
Is a relationship
You got my point.
but-
I know, but don't you feel like sometimes when you choose a person who you're very easy with, you also don't push yourself?
You don't grow.
Don't man your life.
मैं तो कर ही रही हूँ कब से मेरे को लगता है मैं ही हाँ मेरे क्लैम्स आ गई ये बात पे
Yes.
नहीं
And
खुशी तेरा
jealous
उल्टा होता है.
Oh my god, you know, like he's the best. Claire does it all. There are
But
points
they
in
won't
the
say it to
series.
each other's face. They will say it
the
together.
beauty of the unknown
I think I'm with you, no?
हाँ तो वही ना इसमें तो 4 साल का ट्रॉमा भी और
No, I think that's very
she's like
real.
pet me like a dog you know she's like
I'm working on myself.
I'm working I'm just working थप्पड़ दूंगी ना मैं तुझे stupid गधा you go to karaoke song and then we sing it I knew you were trouble when you walked in but oh we will go to karaoke
I think I would love Adele. Although I wouldn't be able to sing it, but बहुत मजा आता है.
rolling in the deep
10-minute version of All Too Well.
She'll be that guy that we need to remove from the story. I got Miami and I'm like, क्या?
What's your dream vacation or destination?
Bora Bora.
Bora Bora. Yours?
Kenya.
Yeah. Mine, so I don't know why. I
You
asked
don't
this
have to
question.
give an exotic answer.
I know. Anything with the beach is good with me.
Yeah.
So you know that.
और
मेरे को actually मेरा खुद का island चाहिए.
ये private vacation से कुछ ज़्यादा.
We went on another tangent. Love it.
It's really lonely also, but I don't mind being like Moana and Maui and just drinking Malaya.
What?
Bro, I would want people on the island. I would
Yeah.
just want it to be.
Why have fishies and like starfish and like birds
No,
and
that's like my worst fear to be left alone with animals. What the
What?
hell?
We left alone
Human
at all.
interaction से अच्छा तो animals
See,
से
I
यार.
can't help.
Okay.
Girl, this.
I just.
Acha, one day if you had to switch a job and it had to be like a really unconventional job, like weather reporter types, what would your job be? Like very कुछ random yeah. Like chocolate taster.
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना वो water slides पे that person. What would you actually want to be? Someone big.
You
Shadow for someone big.
Like see everything.
She would love it actually.
I would
She
love
would
it.
really
I
love
would.
it.
Yeah.
I need
She
Intel.
is, yeah.
Fourth.
I
क्या
know
नहीं.
that is.
Because you're gonna block me after this.
But
और एक बार मुझे 2 एपिसोड करना पड़ेगा अपने घर के.
अरे खबर नहीं. I might stay over here. Huh? It's my dad.
I thought I was going to say
My
आपकी
dad.
शादी में हम डांस कर रहे हैं. Sorry.
That's why I said ooh.
Hello. You know, it's
वो किया है.
It's good, yeah. I love you.
Recording off पे आप बोल.
Gee. That is the goal.
Okay, let's go.
So where were we at?
No, she's
this bad at
Oh my god. Shit, it's a third degree.
Yeah.
It's a
मुझे पता है.
This also yesterday night I was like hee next day morning. Stop offering food. Just shut up and sit
I feel
here.